pineapples, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luly Star and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super orange full glowy look. So if you guys want to know how I created this look with this beautiful Maybelline palette for just $9, just keep watching. First off, get some scotch tape on the end of your eye. This will create a sharp cat eye shadow. Next, I'll be using the LA concealer in shade Natural. This is what I use as a shadow primer. Just blend it all over your eyelids. Make sure you do that very well, my friend. Now I'll be using my Maybelline Soda Pop palette. As my transition color, I'll be starting with the shade called Chillin'. Blend it all over your eyelids. When using a transition color, it's way easier to blend the colors that you'll be using next. Next, I'll be going in with the shade Color Float, applying it to the crease of my eye in wiper motions. Creating a darker accent towards the outer corner makes it look like a cat eye, so don't forget to do that as well. Next, I will be using the color Crushing using my fingertips because it's just better when you're trying to get the most out of a color. I chose to apply this color on my lower lid, centering the orange. However, I'm avoiding the inner corners. I'm obsessed with this color orange. It is truly a fall color. Using a flat brush, my next shade is Sugar High. Applying this color to the inner corner will give it a nice shimmer, making the eye appear awake. I'll be adding a little more of the Crushing shade because I want a more dramatic look. Next, using the shade Root Beer, I will be blending towards the end of my cat eye, almost creating a line on top of the crease, a very soft line. You can also transition this look from day to night by adding a lot more root beer. And now just wing it. Having the tape makes it so much easier when you're trying to do the eyeliner, once you remove it, but if you're not satisfied, you can always go back and adjust your line. And now just remove the tape after you're done doing your eyeliner and done with your eyeshadows. Now you're gonna see you have a crispy, super line. And like I said, if you're not satisfied, go back and adjust that line. And now with my concealer brush, I'm just dusting off the excess product. For the lower line, I combine crushing and cola float. Excuse my faces. Lastly, with a small blending brush, I will be using the shade Tonic to highlight my brow bone. And then final step, apply your mascara and then your favorite lashes. For this look, I went with a very natural lash look. You don't need lashes, it's totally your preference. It's a full look in orange. Alright, my little pineapple, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!